in this game not expecting anything. We went in this tournament not expecting anything, and now we're going home with a medal. And it's been years, decades since the last medal. So sobrang thankful lang talaga kami. And we're really hopeful. We're really looking forward to more preparations for the upcoming tournaments that we will play, because if ganito yung naipakita namin ngayon, we just hope na now we just keep improving and move up.
Sobrang saya. Kasi nagsama-sama kami talaga nag-training 2 araw lang. So, i-expect din talaga na ganito yung outcome ng lineup namin.